So next one is body. 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 Yeah. So here I am going to have script. So today actually we will see about arrays, arrays and its methods. So as we are already seeing where to declare an array where ARR equal to some things I can able to give here 1 comma 2 comma 5 comma 7 comma 9 something like that array I give here. Okay, so to access this array, what is the way I can able to access the first element of the array is like console.log, and here I have to give like ARR of some 0. 0 means 0th index. So what is there in my 0th index? 1 is there in my 0th index. 1, this is first index, this is second index, this is third index, this is fourth index. Okay, so if I want to access the middle item, what I have to do, I can able to make it like console.log here ARR of in the square brackets I have to give 2. 2 means the third element, means numeric 5. So let us see this one here. Once again, so we have to go for inspect. Once again, actually. So here I can able to find first is like 1 and 5 undefined means okay. So second time I can able to find that value, and for one is like 1, another one is like 5. Okay, suppose if I want to convert this string to a string. Okay, so let me take a small example like where I can able to convert everything array to a string. So let me take like ARR underscore some 2 I have given, and I am taking here some new entries like some Ram, and I'm taking some Gopal, and then I'm taking some Steve. Okay, so once I am taking all these strings in the array, I want to convert entire thing in an um, one string format. So I can able to do with 2 string parameter. So that is like ARR underscore 2 and dot to string dot to string, and here I can able to convert it. See, let us see this one now. Okay, so I have to refresh, so where I can able to find all these are in a string manner. They are all converted into a one single string. They are all converted into string. Okay, so if I want to join this array, whatever the array we have, if I want to join it, so I have an method known as join method. So with the join method I can able to convert. Suppose for example I have one more here, that is like underscore 3, and here I am giving some Abdul, and I want to convert this array, and I have to join a suffix in between this array. Okay, I want to join some elements in between. Suppose I want to join a asterisk element or a plus in between these strings. Okay, so at that point of time I can go for console.log ARR underscore 3 dot join. So whatever I want to join, I should have in my mind. Let me take some plus here. So I am to save this and want to get, yeah. So I have converted each and every element in an array with I have joined one plus parameter inside it. Okay, I have joined the plus parameter inside it. So if I want to convert, if I want to pop up a value in a string, or if I want to delete some value in a string and the last element, if I want to remove only the last element in a string, then we are having one method known as pop method. So pop method is used to delete the last element in a string. Okay, pop method is used to remove the last element in a string. So here I am going to pop pop, and what I am going to pop, it will remove, what it will do is it will remove last element in array. Okay, it will remove last element in array. So let us see this one now. Okay, so it has removed the last element, and we have got the last element value, which is 9, which is 9. So if I want to add a new element to an array, if I want to add a new element to a array, we can able to find that with push parameter will provide the last element in it will add the new element to an array. It will add a new element to an array. For example, if I am giving here console.log and arr, and I am pushing some value here, that is some 89, something like this. So 1 second. Yeah, 1 second. I think the structure of array has been changed. 1 second. Save. Okay. So here, if I want to push and the last element means, suppose if I am pushing the last element, right, then I will be getting that index of that array. Means whatever I have pushed, that value. 1 second. So you can able to find the pushed value as well as the index of it. This will return the index. The push will return index of value added to array. Okay, so we can find pushed value here. Okay, so this is one case. So up to now we saw like a toString, and we also saw like join method, and also we have seen like pop and push. Okay, suppose if I want to shift an array, this shift one particular element. So shift parameter will remove the first array element, and it will shift all other elements to the lower indexes. Means it will remove the first element. It will remove the first element. So let us check this one now. So already we have this result array, and here I am going to check like I'm going to shift it. Okay, I'm going to shift the array. Shift. So once I am shifting this one, right? So in this case, I can able to get the which element I have shifted. I can able to get like which element I have shifted, and I can able to find the resultant here. I should able to get the resultant one here. Means the for whatever the first index we have deleted, the value one we have deleted, that value we have got here, and whatever the remaining values 2 3 4 5 7 8 2 5 7 8 9 89, that value will be resultant in the shift. Okay, so there is one more method, that is unshift. What it will do is it will add the new element to an array at the beginning. It will add the new element to the array at the beginning. Okay, that is unshift. So let us check for, let us see for unshift. Okay, so here I have to give the value here. So I am giving some 45. Okay, so now I can able to find there is an array added. I mean the element added at the first index, means the first place, first location. Okay, means the 0th location there is one element has been added. Okay, so yeah, if I want to find the length of an array, how can I find? We can able to find the length of an array like array dot length, array dot length. Okay, it's like number 5, numeric 5, that is the length of an array. So if I want to delete a particular value in an array, what is the case? So at the time we have to delete the with the delete keyword, we can able to delete a particular value in an array. Suppose if I want to delete the 0th, the first element, I can able to delete that, and I can able to show that in the here in the console. Array after delete, right? So let us check now. Okay, so here I can able to find that value is deleted, and uh, here is 2 and 5 and 7 and 9. There is one more operation is there, that is like a splice operator. It is used to add a new element to an array. It is used to add the new element to an array. So this splice parameter, we have to we have to add, so we can able to add the new elements to an array by giving the length, and particular length, and also we can able to mention a particular length, and also which place we want to add. Okay, um so for example here let us think, I am going to have one more array somewhere, this array. I will take here some strings actually. Kiwi, apple, mango. Sorry, yeah. So this is the new array I have took. So if I want to do splicing, right? So I have to give for console.log. I am giving some res array dot splice, where I am giving the first value is like it will define the where new elements should be added, where the new element should be added, and means which index we are going to add the new element. And the second value is like which index, up to how many elements we should remove the, I mean we should remove while we are splicing. Suppose I am not giving anything here for now. And one more thing is like here whatever I have like a string, I can able to give here. I'm giving some, you know, lemon. I'm going to give some lemon. Okay. So the first one is like position, which one we want to add. Second one is like up to what place we are going to slice, or I mean we are going to cut the array. So I am going to add here two things, two more things. So let me take like some jackfruit, and let me take like mango, jackfruit, and some cherry. Okay, so let us push this one now. Okay, so here, yes, array. Mm, 1 second. Yes, so here splice 2 comma 0 and 2 comma 0 and lemon. Give here some okay. Mm, splice. Mm. This is 0th position. This is first position, and this is the second position. So in the second position, I am going to add lemon and java bean. Okay. So after this, I am going to continue that array with whatever the values I am having. So here, if I am going to add it to 1, right? So what this one will decide? So it will decide how many elements should be removed. Okay, how many elements should be removed? See, here kiwi and apple and lemon and java bean. After that, what is the next one? Mango. So after second position, I have to remove one element, that is mango, and whatever the lemon and java bean, that should be available, and jackfruit and cherry should be available. Only that after second position, this mango, I mean only one element should be removed. For example, if I am taking 2, let me take 2. So now you can able to find there is like mango and jackfruit, both are removed, and that will be the resultant here, mango and jackfruit. Okay, so that's about splice actually. And one more.
Sir, suppose we don't want to remove that second one.
There is nothing like we don't want to remove. If you want to remove, you can remove. If you don't want to remove the second one, you can only remove only one value. Is it understandable or not?
Yeah, yeah, sir.
Yes.
So one more thing is there, that is a slice. So let me take, this is the one, and another one is like slice. Resultant ARR, slice. So if I am doing the slice, what it will do is it will cut the array up to the index, whatever the index we are mentioning. For example, if I am mentioning something like 2 and I am slicing, okay, let me take here only one. Okay, so here first thing is like this one is the value, the resultant value, kiwi, apple, lemon. Okay, what I have given, not 2. Okay, after second index, whatever the values are available, up to 0 1 2, up to lemon, I mean from lemon, please display the remaining values like lemon, java bean, jackfruit, and cherry. Lemon, so whatever the value we are giving in slice, it will slice out the previous entries and it will display the remaining entries. Okay, that's about slice parameter actually. Okay, and yeah, so I think we'll see about array sorting. That's also one of the important topic, how to sort an array. Let's say array dot sort. So let me check here. Sort, and here I have to enable to find apple, cherry, jackfruit, kiwi, java bean, and lemon in an alphabetical order. Actually, if you want to reverse a particular array, if you want to reverse an array, there is a method known as reverse method. Reverse. So in this one, so it will reverse the array. It will reverse the array. So you can able to find lemon, java bean, kiwi, jackfruit, cherry, and apple. It will reverse that particular array, and yeah, that's how it is actually. We'll go for array iterations. This is an important topic. So let me start it from the loop actually. Okay, let me start with the loop. So if loop, uh, actually you already saw like about if loops in your C programming and all. These also generally same like that only. So if the statement is true, so if the statement is true, then it will execute the block. It will execute the statement. If the condition is true, so it will execute the remaining statements, whatever the statements that if loop is having. Okay, else in the else case, it will, if means it is not true. So it is not true means it is false statements. So false statements will be executed in this case. Okay, so yeah, and let us see here, if, and I am taking some value, some 5 is greater than some 2, greater than 2 means I can able to find like greater. I should able to find the value greater here. So I can able to display the value greater. So in else case, else part, I should able to find some other value. lesser. So, and I am going to change here 2 to some 10. I have changed it, and let me check this one. So now I can able to find lesser. Okay, so this is one thing, and also we have went for infinite loop actually. Okay. So you can able to find the value 6 times it is printed. Okay, so because 10 is greater than 10, 4 and 9 is greater than 4, and 8 and 7, 6 and 5, 6 and 5, totally 8 times, I say 6 times. Okay, so while we work, so and also we do have do while also. It is also same this kind, but it will execute the statements before it will before the condition is executed. The statements are executed at very first, then only the condition will be executed. That is the case with do 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 while. Okay, here let me, we are in do while. Okay, so here I am going to take a while loop here. There I am finding some where I'm giving somewhere some z equal to some 10 or some 20 I give. Here I am giving some z plus plus, sorry, z is less than some 30. Okay, so I am incrementing the z value. I'm incrementing the z value. So now what will happen is 10 times we are in do while. First time it will execute, second time it will execute. First time it will take 20 and it will go for plus 1, and after that if it is 21 is less than 30. Okay, after that 22 is less than 30. Likewise it will keep on incrementing, it will keep on increment the value. So here I can able to find z less than 30. If I am finding this the statement of this z value. Okay, you can able to see more clearly. You can able z, first one is like, first we have executed do while, and after that z value incremented, then second time, third time, likewise 10 times it will increment, and the last time it will terminate at 29th time, at 30th iteration, when the value is receiving the 30th iteration. So it will terminate and it won't get executed this existing do do statement. We are in do while, that it won't get it won't be executing that one actually. So this is about a do while. We have no, one more thing is like switch is there. So switch statement, that one I will tell. So yeah, you people are understanding right up to here?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Yes, okay.
Sir, something like while loop and do while both are similar, right? But
No, both are different. Here the statement will be executed only after the condition is satisfied. But if you find here, the statement is executed
up
before.
to yeah.
You can find here before the statement, before the condition gone or before the condition executed, the statement is first uh, executed. It will display the statement irrespective of the on the condition. Okay, irrespective of the condition, it will show the it will display this content. First it will execute this content, then only it will go for the while loop. In this case, it will execute this content. If it is true, then only it will go for this one, else it won't go.
Yeah, okay, okay.
Okay. Suppose let us take, like, if you are, you can make it as false while you are trying and check, you can able to find the result. Okay, and let us see some switch case example. So here switch case, and I'm using some switch case is like so only one time execution. Any condition will be executed only one time. If the condition is satisfied, that respective statements are executed. Okay, but multiple conditions will be available for us. Multiple conditions will be available for us. So whatever the condition is satisfied with the current iteration or by the program, that will be executed. That will be executed. So let me take an switch statement here, and I am giving some case 0, should be ending with colon, and after that I'm giving some day equal to some Sunday. So I have to declare the variable here as day. Okay, so here I am going to use again case is some 1, and day is some. Now I have to break it actually. After a case, I have to after the statement, I have to break the statement. Okay, and next time, if I am having a case value as 1, okay, at that point of time, it should display as Monday. Okay, so likewise, if I want to display for all weeks actually. Okay, all weeks. So here I am going to take 1 second. I am arranging. 1 and 2, and what is the second value? If it is like Tuesday. Okay, and if it is 3, Wednesday. So if it is 4, it is like Thursday. If it is 5, Friday. If it is 6, Saturday. Yeah. Okay. So how can I decide the value is like which day? Means I can able to give the value here some day, and let me push this here I am giving some condition as new date. New date dot means it will display the current date. It will display the current date. Okay. Dot I am giving here get day. Giving here get day. So here I have already give where day. So new case and a new date get day, and I am going to display the particular day now. After this all this I am going to display the particular day, whatever the day we are going to get from the switch loop. So it will display the current day is Saturday. So from where I have got this index is from this new date get day. So first I will show you what is this new day here. New date. It will display the current date. In a timestamp, it has some default timestamp value. So with that timestamp value, it will display the current time. Okay. So in this, if I want to get the day, get day is the one which will give the current Saturday or Sunday. It will give that value. So you can able to find that value as 6. Okay, so the 6th value is like Saturday, and it will display the Saturday for us in the and at the end. Any doubt here or something? Fine, right?
No, no doubt.
No, yes.
So with for loop, how can we access an array? That's one we are going to see now. Okay, so where I have some array, array detail. Okay, where so in that I am going to have some values like some names or countries like India and also USA, Russia, Japan. Okay, so I want to execute them and I want to display them with the for loop. How can I make it? Means we can have some first where I is equal to 0 at very first point, and I am taking some this where I is less than 3. So 0, 1, 2, 3 can make up to 4, or we can give like array dot length, array detail dot length. So up to the end of the array we are going to iterate the for loop. That is the meaning of it. And here I am giving some plus plus. So here I am giving some console.log where I am going to access the array element arr detail. Okay, there I am giving of I. This is the index. So first index and second index, third index, and third index and fourth index. All these indexes I am going to iterate and display them. Okay, one after the other. So you can able to find now India, USA, Russia, and Japan. Okay, so any array if you are taking, you have to take that array up to the end of that array length, and you have to increment that value, and you have to display them with the index value. That is how you want to access an array. Okay. So I think we can stop the class for today. If you have any doubts, please practice this. All these are very important topics while you are